Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the timer knob in the Hotpoint dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new timer knob. This timer knob is located on the right side of the control panel. It operates the dryer's timer. If the knob rotates freely on the timer shaft, making it impossible to change the cycles, check the knob sleeve for cracks and replace it if needed. To remove the timer knob, we just simply grab it and pull it straight out. Sometimes it won't obey, then you can use the putty knife or a flat blade screwdriver to pry it off. This is the old timer knob next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the new knob onto the shaft, we need to remove this metal insert which stayed on the shaft when we removed the old knob. So I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver and very carefully, trying not to break off the shaft, we're going to slide the insert off. We're now going to install the new knob onto the shaft. Very simple. We need to match the shapes on the shaft and the shape on the cutout here and the hole inside the knob. Both of them are D-shape, and make sure that there's a metal insert in that knob. And I'm going to place it on. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.